I think that people who were not inclined to wear a mask were not inclined to wear a mask before Thursday. In terms of the honor system, people have to be honest with themselves. You're protected if you're vaccinated. You're not if you're not vaccinated.
That, of course, is the CDC director asking people who were not vaccinated for COVID-19 to be honest with themselves. It comes after the CDC released new mask guidelines last week, allowing people who are fully vaccinated to shed their masks outside and in most indoor locations. So what does it mean for diners and local restaurants here in the metro? Well, CBS 46's Melissa Stern explains.
Probably for a year, we have not been going to restaurants.
As more and more people get vaccinated, customers are slowly feeling more comfortable eating in restaurants again.
I myself, kind of look around me to see if, anybody is practicing any of the safety protocols. And if they're not, it makes me think twice about whether I want to be there, whether I want to put myself in that situation or not.
Even as the federal standards are loosening, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says state and local rules aimed at halting the spread of COVID-19 will remain in place. Many Metro Atlanta restaurants are happy to take it slow until more people are vaccinated.
You can't tell by looking at a person, if you have been vaccinated, if you haven't.
When restaurants were allowed to reopen after the pandemic closed them down for months, owners had to pivot to ensure the safety of guests and staff.
The first step of that was actually shutting down the inside of the restaurant and solely doing patio seating.
On top of spending thousands of dollars on safety and protective equipment, many restaurants took tables out, ordered partitions, and put in air filtration systems.
You can't go wrong with sticking to the safer side of things.
Now, many restaurant owners say they're going to take it slow when it comes to the easing of restrictions.
We've added a few additional seats, but other than that, we're not ready yet to just go full force 100% back to normal.
We're going to kind of maintain our mask mandate for our servers for a little bit.
After all the restaurant industry has been through, many feel erring on the side of caution for a few more months is worth it.
We made it through, so we're one of the lucky ones.
Melissa Stern, CBS 46 News.